What's up, y'all? I am making a coffee table today, and I've never made one before. This was ordered from me by a customer of mine. What I plan on doing is making a wooden top, real nice wooden top, and a metal legs and a metal stand for it. So I've never done anything this size with wood before, but I have a woodworking buddy named Jim. I'm gonna go to his house today, see what I can do, and maybe make something real nice with it. Alright, so Jim has taken me to a cabinet shop that he gets his wood from, and we looked through the dumpsters, see if there's any wood that we want, and he's going inside right now to talk to the owner. I don't know if he does this all the time, but this is my first time with him doing this, so it's pretty interesting seeing where he gets his wood from. And I found a couple pieces that I really like the grain structure too, and I might use those in this tabletop. You'll see in a minute. We got a bunch of wood out of the dumpster. We're loading up the truck right now. I have high hopes for this table. I don't know if it'll be as good as I imagine, but you know, it's my first time. I haven't done it before. Let's see how it turns out. We've got all the wood loaded up. All right, so we got a bunch of poplar right here. We're gonna cut it up real nicely. And this top is called a butcher block top. And then we got some mahogany over here too that we're gonna incorporate. All right, y'all, so as you can see, we started cutting the wood here, and for probably a couple minutes I'll be doing a voiceover. I had obviously never done anything like this before, so I was getting a lot of help on this. I didn't do this all by myself, and I just don't want y'all to think, oh, he did it for you, you didn't do it any yourself. I was helping, I was watching, I was learning. I did a lot of this by myself behind the scenes, so if you're going to say something like that, please don't. Anyway, this was a fun project that I did. It's not done yet. You'll see by the end of the video that this is just part one. But I had a lot of fun today. I had never worked with poplar and mahogany in this way before, and I'm glad that I really got this opportunity. Guys, I recommend going to church, going to a little local church. My church has less than 30 people in it. Meeting guys like this, meeting people like this, become a real family with your church. I know so many people in my church, all 30 of them. I know everyone in my church, and I know the plumbers, I'm a welder, I know carpenter, obviously Jim here. Get involved with your church, get a good church family going. It's a great thing to be a part of. Anyway, I'll let y'all continue this video, and I hope you enjoy it. We got all the wood cut. Then we're gonna cut them in half. We're gonna get them the right sizes, glue them together. But look at this wood grain right here. Look at the colors and the pattern. It's beautiful. Alright, y'all, as you can see, we're cutting wood here, measuring it out right, cutting it, bringing it to the table behind. If you can see me around Jim, who is 6 foot 12 inches and 4/4, then that's what I'm doing. Is I'm putting the wood on the table behind him. He's cutting it, and we're just making sure we have enough pieces to complete the table. We got all the wood cut into pieces. It looks real good. For me, a metal worker that doesn't do much with wood, I think this is really sweet. And then we're gonna see if we can't make a tabletop out of it. Here's the tabletop so far. We got the top part and the bottom part. They're not glued together or smashed together or anything. These are just the pieces put how we want them. I think it's gonna look real good. There's gonna be a border on it too. I'm excited to see how it turns out, and I'll keep you all updated. Thank you for watching.